So in this tutorial, we learn how you can easily install any extension from the Visual Studio Marketplace. So first, open the browser of your choice and type Visual Studio Marketplace and press enter. Click on the official link visualstudio.com, and here you'll see all the extensions available. So if you want to install the Python extension, so click Python and click the install button. So you have to open the Visual Studio Code. So click open Visual Studio Code. So our Visual Studio Code has been launched. And also you'll see the Python plugin available, and click the install button. And you can see that our extension has been installed. So you can repeat the same process and install any extension of your choice. And thanks for watching, and see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.